Today I'm going to show you how to check Gmail's storage space left, along with your full Google storage usage across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This is really useful if your inbox is getting full, emails are bouncing, or you just want to see how much space you have left before you run out. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to one.google.com/storage. This is the official Google One storage page, and it gives you a quick overview of your cloud storage usage. Once the page loads, sign into the Google account you use for Gmail. Make sure you choose the correct account if you have more than one, because the storage numbers will only show for the account you log into. After you sign in, you'll see your storage dashboard. Here, Google shows you how much storage you've used and how much is still available. This is the key screen you need if you want to check Gmail's storage space left. You'll also see how that storage is being used across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. That makes it easy to understand whether your Gmail account is close to filling up or whether most of your storage is being used by files or photos instead. Take a moment to review the breakdown on the page. Gmail uses storage for emails and attachments, Drive uses storage for files you upload, and Photos uses storage for your image and video backups. If your Gmail storage is low, it doesn't always mean your inbox alone is the problem. Often, large attachments, old Drive files, or backed up media are taking up most of the space. If you want to free up storage or manage your account more efficiently, there's another helpful page you can open. Go to one.google.com/storage/management. This storage management page gives you tools and suggestions for cleaning up large files, deleting unnecessary items, and reclaiming space faster. It's a great next step if your Gmail is close to full or you want to avoid storage warnings in the future. Once you're on the management page, you can review what's using the most space and decide what to delete. This is especially helpful if you receive emails with large attachments, store files in Google Drive, or back up a lot of photos and videos. By checking these pages regularly, you can stay ahead of storage issues and keep your Gmail working smoothly. So to quickly recap, open the Google One storage page, sign into your Google account, view your used and available storage, and then use the storage management page if you want to clean things up. That's the fastest way to check Gmail storage space left and see exactly where your storage is going. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.